Hey everybody, this is Jason with Crypto Trends. Tuesday afternoon, 1:12 Eastern Time. I just wanted to come on and talk about the market, what's been happening. We had a good night last night, around I don't know, 1, 2, 3 in the morning. We saw a nice big pump up that continued through the morning up till about 20,000. 20,000, I don't know, let's see, 20,100. And as the day went on, now we have had our dump. In the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours, we've been dumping. We're at 18.9 right now. Now, what happened? People were shorting the market. Market makers liquidated those shorts, pumped the market up to about 20, and then dropped the market again. That could very well be what happened. I think there is a lot of negative sentiment in the market right now with the dollar continuing to pump. The DXY right now, let's see where it's at. The DXY right now is at 114.42, which is, I don't know, less than $1 away from its all-time high, while the overseas markets are, taking a hit. British pound is at 106, and the euro is at 0.95. So overseas markets continue to take a hit while the dollar gets stronger. Typically when the dollar goes up, Bitcoin goes down. However, yesterday we saw that the dollar went up and Bitcoin held its ground in the 19 range. I would like to believe that maybe the point of view that Bitcoin is a risk-on asset might be starting to change, that people are starting to see that Bitcoin can be a safe place as a store of value, and that when your fiat is crumbling, that Bitcoin is still holding strong. For everything that's happened in our market over the last, year, really 6 months, for Bitcoin to still be at 19,000, I think is really good. For me and my portfolio, not so much. I got into crypto really last year, and I bought it 30, 40, 50, and even some at 60. So my portfolio is down, I don't know, 60, 70%. However, I'm not phased. I still DCA, dollar cost average, into Bitcoin every week. Automatically comes out. I don't even think about it. So, I am not shaken. Looking at altcoins, Ethereum, Solana, what else? ADA, Avalanche. I mean, everything's kind of taken a hit following Bitcoin. I don't think that's going to change. It is different this time around. I was told, just like everybody else, that altcoins have to continue to go down as the bear market goes on, which we haven't really seen. Bitcoin dominance has stayed around 38, 39%, 40%. It's pretty much stayed there, and altcoins have held their own. So people are still putting money into altcoins. I'm not doing that as of right now. I'm only buying Ethereum and Solana right now. I do have a list of about 10 that I will DCA into or try to get close to buying the bottoms as the bear market goes on. I think we still have some pain to feel when we have the next Fed meeting, which I believe is in November after the election, or it's right before. We'll see what happens with interest rates. The Fed and Jerome Powell has stated that they're going to continue to hike, which, we've went from, I don't know, zero interest to 3.25 or 3.75 in the largest rate increase and the quickest rate increase in history. And I don't think the markets have fully priced that in yet. I don't think we have seen the impact of those interest rates yet. I think there's a delay in the market, and we are just starting to feel the beginning of the hikes. And the inflation will still continue to go up. I know I've personally felt it, especially when going to the grocery store. Um, and it'll continue to go up, and people will continue to get hurt. I think right now, save as much as you can, whether it's putting it in the dollar since it is the strongest asset, or putting it into Bitcoin. Right now, I think that's the safest thing that you can do. If you are overseas, I think, putting money in a stable coin might be a good idea, since it is based on the dollar, and the dollar is the strongest asset right now. That is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you some commentary on what could help. I think personally, all of us are in this together. I got into crypto because I saw it as an opportunity to make some life-changing gains. I've always been interested in stocks, and unfortunately, when I was in college, I was goofing off too much and didn't apply myself in order to, become a stock trader. When I saw cryptocurrency, I saw it as an opportunity to get back in and start learning about crypto and stocks. Now this year, everybody's really paying attention to the macro environment, so I've continued to, learn about macro and how all these things really work together. So, I encourage everyone, do what you can to save money, spend your money wisely. We don't know when this is going to turn. We all hope it's going to turn quickly. Um, you know, you hear people say the bear market is for building, and I agree with that. You have an opportunity while prices are low to build your portfolio, build your knowledge, build your expertise, build your experience, and put yourself in a good position, because the market will go up. Bitcoin has been on the rise. It has had corrections, just like the stock market, just like every market, and we're in a correction right now, and we will go back up again. So, stay strong. Don't get shaken out by all the negative sentiment. I think we're all in a great position, and continue to stay positive and make good choices. And I'll continue to bring videos. I hope these videos provide a little insight. I'm just a guy that consumes a lot of crypto and market content. I don't have any incentives to put any particular information out there. Just try to offer my viewpoints. This, I believe, will help me learn more about it, and I'm trying to, on a daily basis, put out videos, so that'll keep me engaged and keep me learning. So I'd appreciate it if you could share this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, put something in the comment section that you'd like me to talk about, whether it's crypto or macro, or working out, which is my other hobby, I guess you could say. You know, Tell me what you want to hear. I'd love some comments down there and some suggestions. After all, I'm trying to entertain and inform, give you some commentary on what's happening and how I see it from an unbiased stance. So, thanks everybody. Have a great day.